Hi crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome to #Thrifty Thursday. So for this Thrifty Thursday, I am going to be sharing some Happy Mail. Yes, I received Happy Mail from Stephanie Puccini, and maybe you've seen her in the comments. She comments on a lot of my videos, maybe all of them or most of them. But anyway, I'm just now opening this up. She let me know that she was sending me she sent me a message on Instagram and asked me for my address and said she wanted to send me some things. So here they are, and I'm super excited to see what she sent. I'm trying to be careful here. I don't want to cut anything that's not supposed to be cut or tear anything or whatever. So let's see what is in here. I'm so excited. Thank you, Stephanie. That was so sweet. You did not have to do that. Of course, nobody has to send Happy Mail, right? But, oh my goodness. Yeah, she did say it was regarding or had to do with the lemon theme, because I made a lemon themed journal, which I was kind of working on when she messaged me. But when things like that happen, I get things after I've already finished a journal. I'll save it for the next one. So yeah, that has happened before. I have some strawberry things that I got in Happy Mail, received in Happy Mail. And I'm saving those things for my next strawberry journal or strawberry shortcake, whatever combination it ends up being. But these will be for my next lemony type journal. So these are really cute. These also have bees on them. I'm noticing this one particular piece of paper, 6x6 cardstock, and it has bees on it, so it could go into a bee journal, which I have put some things aside for a bee journal too, bee themed. This one also has bees. I guess this is the same type of paper. I don't know if it's exactly the same, but it's really pretty. I love the lemons on here. Gorgeous, gorgeous paper. I have never seen this before. Don't know where it came from, but it's beautiful. And this has lots of lemons on it, so very lemony. Gorgeous paper also. And we've got some fabric. Let us see. Oh goodness, a lot of fabric here. This would be a beautiful fabric for a cover. I think this would work very well on a cover too. I can see this being put down onto whatever I made the cover base out of, and then cut and sewn around. So that would be a beautiful fabric for, and you could make tags out of this too. I could see these being used as fabric tags, or if I wanted to make this particular fabric into pockets, I would probably, sometimes I put fabric or a lacy type crochet lace or whatever trims. If it's wide and you want to make it into a pocket, I'll put it onto some cardstock like file folder or something, and then cut it out as pocket shaped, and you still have your fabric, but then it's nice and sturdy with the backing of the cardstock. So yeah, all of that could be done with that beautiful fabric, and there's lots of it there. Thank you, Stephanie. Oh my goodness, look at all these pretty things. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful feeling. Oh, I love the pink. Isn't that pretty? I've never seen pink background lemon fabric before, but that is gorgeous. I could make tassels out of this too. It's a thinner fabric. It looks like it, I don't know if it would tear or not, but I could cut it if it didn't and make some tassels, or tie closures, any of that kind of thing with a thinner fabric like this. And yeah, so this will be fun to see what I can do with these things. I can't wait to make my next lemon journal now. I'm not sure when it will be, but I will put these in my lemon stash. I do still have a lemon stash, I believe. And then a couple of, these are cool. Let me see, little gems. Wow, these are beautiful. Paper Studio, that's Hobby Lobby. Is that right? But let's take these out. These are gorgeous. So these stick on. Yeah, these stick on. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are going to be pretty to use on something. I'm going to bling it right up with these lemons. Oh, I love those. Thank you, Stephanie. Those are gorgeous. I love those. I really do. Those are gorgeous. And these are a little, let's see. Paper Studio. Oh, buttons. Okay. I saw the little loop on the back. It didn't ring a bell as far as buttons go. I thought I was getting confused with, I didn't know if they were shoe charms or not. I've never had shoe charms, but I've seen them online. I'm like, are these shoe charms? Or are these buttons? They are buttons. They have the little loop on the back. Trying to see if I can get them open so I can get some out for you. But let's see. Here we go. So yeah, you can use these even with the loop on. You can either cut the loop off or use them, you know, as little charms. These would go great on a tassel. Just tie them onto your string like a little charm, like you would a little charm. But these are super cute little plastic lemons. They're so adorable. I love those too. I love everything, don't I? So yes, I really do. Thank you so much, Stephanie. These are adorable. And it's different from anything I have. That's kind of like the most fun of getting Happy Mail is seeing things that you kind of, you start thinking that you've seen everything, and then you get Happy Mail and you realize, oh, wow, there's a lot of stuff out there I haven't seen, apparently. So here's what Stephanie sent me. The bling lemons, and these pretty buttons, this fabric, and this gorgeous paper. Very pretty. I love it. Thank you so much, Stephanie. I appreciate it. So thoughtful and so nice. And I will definitely be using all of these things in the hopefully not too far away future. So thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed my quick but very happy Thrifty Thursday video. And I'll see you in my next one. Everyone have a great day.